In this video, I'm excited to share with you the various scholarship opportunities open in this Australian university for all international students pursuing their bachelor's, master's and PhD studies, and the application is free of charge. Please watch this video till the end to get all the vital details. Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, also like and share this video with your family and friends. This university is called the University of Queensland in Australia. This university has various scholarships for both bachelor's, master's and PhD students. I've gone ahead to filter for future students, international students, and for study level I've filtered for undergraduates. Let's see first the undergraduate scholarships. It gave a total of 16 results, and you can see they are all open. This one is in preview and the rest. First one says Science International Scholarship. So here you can read the study area. This one is particularly targeted at those that want to do agriculture, animal science, environment, health and medicine, and the scholarship value is 5,000. The opening date is already open since 28th of February and it will be closing soon on the 26th of June. Click on open to view more. I'm going to come to that in a bit. And the second one is Destination Australian Scholarship for international students. Study areas for those in agriculture and animal sciences, science and mathematics. And you can see the scholarship focus is focused on academic excellence, experiences and employability, financial hardship. And the scholarship value is 15,000 Australian dollar per year. And the opening date is going to be in November 2023 and the closing date is going to be January 2024. And the next one is for those in music, is already open. International High Achievers is for those that are from Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, South Korea, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, Thailand and Vietnam. And the study area is basically all study area. And the scholarship focuses on academic excellence and the value is 10,000 Australian dollars and the award varies and it's already open, so you can click on it to view more. You can also go to the next page to view others. Take your time and go through them and see the one that you're eligible for. For the purpose of this video, let's have a look at Destination Australian Scholarship that is open to all international students irrespective of your country. I'm going to click on preview. So here you can see it's Destination Australian Scholarship for international students and it says the scholarship will open in November 2023, so you can actually add it to your calendar for a reminder. And you can see all what it entails. The study level is going to be undergraduate, postgraduate coursework, and the scholarship value is 15,000 Australian dollar per year, and the duration is for the program duration maximum of 4 years, and the award varies. Application open in November and it closes in January 2024. You can see the scholarship focus here, and the study area is agriculture and animal sciences and science and mathematics. So if you're in this field, do well to take advantage of this opportunity. For eligibility criteria, you can see that you have to be an international student, you hold a student visa for the scholarship duration, you are a commencing student, so you're going to be a new student, and here you're going to be in full-time and you're going to be residing in a regional area of Australia for the scholarship duration as defined by the Australian government. So please take your time and read through and know all what it entails. And you're going to be starting any of these programs below in 2023. So these are the programs that are eligible for this scholarship. And this is how to apply. You're going to complete the online application form and you would also need a personal statement. You can click on this link to get tips of how to put a great application together. And this is the selection criteria, so take your time and read through it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Also subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. I would also demonstrate to us by clicking on this first one, Science International Scholarships. Let's have a look since it's open. So this is the Science International Scholarship. You can see the overview at a glance. The scholarship value is 5,000 Australian dollar and it's going to be a duration of 1 year. Application will be closing until the 26th of June 2023. Study areas agriculture and animal sciences, environment, health and medicine, science and mathematics. And it's for undergraduate and postgraduate coursework. And these are the eligibility, so take your time and read through that you're eligible and how to apply. It says you have to complete the online application and you will need a personal statement. So make sure you attach all supporting documents before you submit your application. latest by 13 p.m. Australian time. And for you to make this application is pretty very simple. If you've got all your documents ready, you just click on apply. So basically, this is the application form for this particular scholarship. It's just a one-pager, and everything in asterisk is important. Do well and read through and fill in as correct as possible. Then you hit submit. But importantly here, you must note that you must first of all apply to the University of Queensland for a study program before you can proceed to come over here to make this application. This is because you must provide a student number which you would put on this form, and this is mandatory. In a bit, I will show you how to apply to the University of Queensland and select your study program. Back to the scholarship page, I'm going to filter for postgraduate. Let's have a look at the total postgraduate scholarships that we have here. It gave me a total of 60 results for postgraduate scholarships. Everything marked open is already in progress and apply to them immediately, but once it's in preview means that they are yet to be open. Take your time and read through them and see the particular scholarship you're eligible for and apply to it. But for demonstration, I'm going to be clicking on this first one. This particular scholarship is open to both domestic and international students. Funding type is a living stipend and tuition fees, and the scholarship value is going to be 32,192 Australian dollar per annum, which is going to be tax-free, and your tuition fees will be covered, and overseas student health cover. So basically this is covering almost everything for you, and the scholarship duration is going to be for 3.5 years with the possibility of one extension. Study levels for postgraduate research, and for eligibility criteria, you must be able to meet the requirement for a Doctor of Philosophy. I'm going to quickly click on this link. Let's have a look. This is the academic entry requirement. You have to prove you are prepared for PhD study. You do this by showing you have completed some research experience, you have completed an approved university degree, and you can meet the English language requirements. And this is what they mean by an approved degree. So you take your time and read through these particular requirements. This is how to apply. You apply 12 weeks earlier, and here you can see the application dates. The dates are in 4 research quarters, and we are already currently at the second quarter, which is starting 1st of April until the 30th of June. So if you're not able to meet this application quarter, you can also join the next quarter, which will be open in 1st of July until the 30th of September. There's also the possibility of the 4th quarter, which will open on the 1st of October, running through 30th of December 2023. Basically, you just hit on start application, and it brings you to this page where you're going to click on this start application, and then you fill in your application. To find a study program at the University of Queensland is pretty very easy. You come to their program finder, can filter based on undergraduate, postgraduate, or by research, and also by study areas, and they also have different locations of this Queensland University. So depending on where your course is located or where you want to be located, you can filter for it. Filter based on semester, based on the year, and also based on full-time or part-time. So basically, I've gone ahead and filtered for undergraduate programs. When selecting your program, please bear in mind the particular scholarship you want to apply for, because it has to be in line with the scholarship. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for that particular scholarship. Right now, I'll be clicking on Agribusiness and Agricultural Science. This is the webpage for Bachelors of Agribusiness and Agricultural Science. And here is the overview. You can take your time and read through this, but importantly, when you look by your right, you can see it says scholarship available. This particular bachelor's program offers a scholarship, which we have already seen earlier. And here you can click on any of these tabs to read more. But importantly, I'm going to click on entry requirements. This is the prerequisites that you must meet for you to be eligible for this bachelor. And importantly, for English language requirements, these are the list of English language that they require, but they also went ahead to say learn how to meet the requirements. I'm going to click on this link. And right here it says you can also meet our English language proficiency requirements if you can demonstrate one of the following. And the first one says you've completed your senior secondary schooling from a designated country where the medium of instruction is in English, and any of the following. But importantly, I'll click on this. Let's see the countries that are exempted. So these are the countries that are exempted from providing any of the language requirement, TOEFL, IELTS, and the rest. If you are from these countries here, then you do not have to provide any language proficiency test. Australia, Bahamas, Ireland, Jamaica, Kenya, Lesotho, Liberia, Nigeria, Singapore, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, UK, US. So any of these countries are exempted. Please do well and open up any of these headers to read more. I'm going to click on how to apply. To send in your application for studies, you have to click on apply now to UQ. And right now you see the interface where you're going to be submitting your study application, and you click on start application and send in all your documents. After you might have successfully sent in your document, then you can get the student number, and with this number you then proceed to submit your scholarship application form. Please let me know in the comment section below if you'll be applying to any of these scholarships. I'll be glad to read your comments. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.